Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to unlock and clear all locked WhatsApp chats at once. If you have locked too many WhatsApp chats and now you want to unlock them all, including clear the chats. So let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your WhatsApp app and here just tap on three dots, then settings. In settings you will get the option of privacy. Just select it and here just look for chat lock. Here's the chat lock, just tap on it and here you'll get this type interface. You will get the option of unlock and clear locked chats. You just have to tap on it and here you have to tap on unlock and clear and then verify yourself, and after that your all chats will be unlocked and cleared. So that's how you can easily unlock and clear all locked chats at once on WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.